Hello, everyone. I'm John. How are you today?
Hi, I'm Emma. I hope you're all feeling good today.
Today, we will talk about daily routines. These are things we do every day.
Yes, things like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work or school. We all have routines.
We will speak slowly and use easy English. You can listen and learn new words.
And don't forget, if you like this podcast, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Ready to start? Let's go.
Emma, what is your morning routine? What do you do after you wake up?
My morning is very simple. First, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth.
You wake up at 7 a.m. and then brush your teeth. That's good. What do you do next?
After that, I wash my face. Then, I make some coffee. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. I always drink coffee in the morning. It helps me wake up.
Yes, coffee is very important for many people. What about you, John? What do you do after your coffee?
I eat breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat toast. I like to eat a small breakfast.
Oh, I love toast with jam. Do you eat quickly or slowly in the morning?
I eat slowly. I like to enjoy my food. Smiles. And you?
I eat fast because I am usually late, but I try to eat a little bit every morning.
After breakfast, many people go to work or school. Emma, do you walk to work or take the bus?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes. I listen to music or sometimes this podcast.
That's a good idea. Listening to English is a great way to learn. I drive to work. It's faster, but sometimes there is traffic.
Oh, traffic is not fun. But maybe you can listen to music too, or practice English in the car.
Yes, I do. Sometimes I say English sentences out loud. It helps me remember new words.
That's a smart idea. Listeners, you can do this too. Practice speaking English when you are alone, like in the car or on the bus.
Now, it's your turn. Let's practice together.
We will ask you some questions. Try to answer, even if you are alone.
Okay. What time do you wake up? Say it out loud now.
Great. Now, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m. Pause for repeating.
Very good. Next question. What do you eat for breakfast?
Say your answer now. For example, I eat toast, or I eat eggs.
Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
Nice job. Practicing out loud is very important. Don't be shy.
That's right. You are doing great. Let's try one more. How do you go to work or school?
Say, I take the bus, or I walk, or I drive.
Very good. If you need more time, you can pause and repeat again.
Let's repeat some important sentences. Ready?
First, I wake up at 7 a.m. Let's say it slowly together.
I wake up at 7 a.m. Very slow.
Now, a little faster. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Next one. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. Slow.
I brush my teeth. Normal.
Let's try. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Normal.
One more. I take the bus.
I take the bus.
I take the bus. Normal.
Great job. Repeating helps you remember. You can come back and listen again anytime.
Let's do a short conversation. Emma, you ask me about my morning.
Okay. What time do you wake up, John?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat toast. It's my favorite. What do you eat?
I love cereal. Listeners, you can use this conversation with your friends.
Yes. Practice with a friend or say the sentences by yourself. Speaking helps your English get better. Before we finish, let's remember 3 important things from today's lesson.
First, We learn to talk about daily routines like waking up and eating breakfast.
Second, you practiced saying key sentences with us out loud. That's very helpful.
And third, don't be afraid to repeat and practice, even when you are alone. Repetition is your friend.
Here's your action step. Today, tell someone about your morning routine in English, or write it down and say it aloud.
And tell us in the comments. What is your favorite part of your morning? We want to know.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and see you next time.
Bye for now. You did great today.